Hi, I'm Miss Vimala, and today we're going to be making some sound patterns. What is a pattern? Pattern is something that repeat themselves. It's easy to tell what comes next in a pattern. Where do you see patterns in a room? Here in this room, I see a pattern right here behind me. I see wall, window, wall, window, wall, window, right? So what I'm going to do here is I have a couple of patterns that I have written here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to translate these visual patterns into sound patterns by assigning each symbol a sound action. So for example, let me take this particular pattern. So I have A A B. So for A, I'm going to clap, and for B, I'm going to snap. So let's do this pattern. Did you see the pattern? Let me pick the second one. Here I have A, B, A, B, A, B. So let's go. I'm going to use the same sound action here. Right? So you can try out different patterns. You can write it down and assign a sound action for each letters that you use, letters or colors. So you can clap, snap, pat, stomp, and you can make different patterns out of it. So try it out and let me know, and do share your pattern videos with me. And the sounds that I'm doing, and if I use only my body, and that is called as body percussion. So you'll be doing body percussion patterns, and that's fun activity, right? So let me know how you liked it. Okay, have fun. Bye.